Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to fix your dirt bike if the chain breaks. So first you take it's a 17th, and you get one of these fitting the same size. Put one on this side and this on this side. And just sort of give it a little crank. Just crank it and unloose it so left is totally secure. At the moment my chain is not broken, I am just showing you how you can do this. So after you loosen this, you loosen these, and that'll loosen the tension on the chain and the gear. Then, after you do that, and you get your chain back on the gear, you will tighten the big nuts and then the smaller ones until you can't tighten them, and then you will be all good to go. So if you like my tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and if you will subscribe, thank you very much.